Have you ever found yourself in a restaurant kitchen, trying to figure out why your POS system is acting up, and then you realize it's just time for a server update? Let's dive into the world of TouchBistro and learn how to tackle this common challenge. Imagine TouchBistro as the nervous system of your restaurant. It controls everything from taking orders to managing payments. And just like our bodies need regular checkups, TouchBistro servers require updates to stay healthy and efficient. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why these updates are crucial. Why updates matter. Security. Updates often include patches to address security vulnerabilities, protecting your restaurant's sensitive data. Bug fixes. Developers constantly work to improve the software. Updates often include fixes for known bugs and glitches. New features. Sometimes, updates introduce exciting new features that can streamline your operations. Preparing for the update. Backup. Before anything else, create a full backup of your TouchBistro data. This is your safety net in case something goes wrong. Check system requirements. Ensure your hardware and software meet the minimum requirements for the update. This will prevent compatibility issues. Notify staff. Inform your staff about the upcoming update and when the system will be unavailable. This will help manage expectations and avoid confusion. The update process. Download the update. Visit the TouchBistro website and download the latest update package. Install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the update on your server. This process may vary slightly depending on your server configuration. Restart the server. Once the update is complete, restart your TouchBistro server to apply the changes. Troubleshooting common issues. Stuck in update mode. If the update seems to be taking forever or if the server is stuck in update mode, try restarting the server manually. Data corruption. If you encounter data corruption issues after the update, restore from your backup. Connection problems. If you're having trouble connecting to the server after the update, check your network settings and ensure the server is accessible. Post-update verification. Test functionality. Once the server is back online, test all key functions of your TouchBistro system to ensure everything is working as expected. Check for errors. Look for any error messages or unusual behavior. If you encounter problems, consult the TouchBistro documentation or contact their support team. Additional tips. Stay updated. Make it a habit to check for updates regularly. TouchBistro often releases updates to address critical issues. Automate updates. If your server is configured for automatic updates, ensure the settings are correct to avoid missing important patches. Consider professional help. If you're unsure about the update process or if you encounter significant issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a TouchBistro certified technician. Updating your TouchBistro server is a crucial task that can help improve the security, performance, and functionality of your restaurant's POS system. By following these steps and being prepared for potential challenges, you can ensure a smooth update process and minimize downtime. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions or encounter specific issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy updating.